Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create and utilize task filters on teamwork.com, the 2025 edition. First off, log into your teamwork.com account. This is your gateway to a more organized workspace. Once logged in, head straight to the Tasks section. This is where you'll be spending most of your time creating and managing tasks. Now let's create a task filter. Look for the Add Filter button on the right side. Click on it and a menu will appear. This menu is your tool for creating a customized filter for your tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This filter will help you sift through your tasks based on specific criteria you set, saving you precious time down the line. Next up, set your criteria. You might want to filter tasks by assignee, due date, or priority. The choice is yours. The reason we do this is to make it easier for you to locate and manage tasks that meet particular conditions. Once you've set your criteria, hit Save Filter. Give it a name that reflects its purpose. This helps us because we can easily recall what each filter does without having to open and check the criteria. Now that we've done that, let's utilize these filters. Just click on the name of the filter you want to use, and voila, your tasks list instantly updates to show only tasks that meet the filter's criteria. This is the beauty of task filters. They declutter your workspace and streamline your workflow. Let me explain why this matters. Task filters improve efficiency by allowing you to focus on what's important. No more sifting through countless tasks. With filters, you get what you need when you need it. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've mastered the art of creating and utilizing task filters on teamwork.com. Keep exploring, and remember, effective task management is just a filter away. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.